In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order from Alibaba in 2025 with a clear, detailed, and step-by-step guide that ensures a smooth purchasing experience. Whether you're a business owner looking to source products or a curious individual exploring international shopping, this guide will provide you with all the tools and tips you need. Let's begin by heading to Alibaba.com, where you'll be greeted by Alibaba's extensive online marketplace. It's essential to log into your account to access all the features and ensure a secure transaction environment. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's easy and will keep all your orders organized. Once you're logged in, the next step is to search for the product you're interested in purchasing. Use the search bar at the top of the page and be as specific as possible with your keywords to narrow down the results. This will help you find exactly what you need without sifting through countless listings. Now, arguably one of the most critical steps is choosing the right seller. Look for either a verified supplier or a trade assurance seller. Verified suppliers have been thoroughly vetted, and trade assurance is a service that protects your purchase in terms of quality and on-time shipment, adding an extra layer of security. Once you've found the product and supplier that match your expectations, it's time to specify the quantity you wish to order and any product specifications such as size or color that are important to you. After carefully checking these details, you have two options. Click Start Order if you're ready to purchase immediately, or if you have additional questions or need to negotiate terms, click on Contact Supplier to start a conversation. Once the details are settled, confirm all aspects of your order, including shipping and payment arrangements. It's crucial to double-check these details to avoid any surprises later. When you're satisfied, go ahead and click Pay Now. Alibaba will guide you through the payment process, which offers various methods such as credit cards and wire transfers, making it convenient no matter where you're located. Please remember that patience is vital during this process, especially if you're ordering from overseas. Estimated delivery times can vary, and checking the supplier's shipping policy can give you a better understanding of when to expect your order. That's it. In a few simple steps, you've successfully navigated the order process on Alibaba, setting the stage for more efficient shopping in the future. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping on Alibaba.